everyone, this is Shirley, and this is Jamminw with the yarn. I just finished eating, just got home. It is late, and I can't wait to get to see what I got in my 12 days of socks with Nightmare Before Christmas. This is my favorite one. Today is the 8th, right? I hope it's the 8th. Let me take a quick look. Oh, it's the 9th. Glad I looked. So let's see. Number 9. This funny little guy here. Okay, you guys. This is going to be quick because tomorrow will be Christy T. Doddle's advent calendar and the other sock one. Okay, let's see. This is the fun part. Oh, this is just like the shoes my husband gave me the last Halloween. He gave me shoes, house shoes, just like this, and I did a video on them. Oh, these are so cute. I mean, I really do like these. Okay, look at that. They're so nice. Very nice. This is the best box. This is a really good one. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go. This is very short. I have nothing else to show you. I'm not gonna try to keep it going. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a blessed and wonderful night, day, morning life. Take care.